The Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office was blindsided after the feds brought charges against a current deputy for tipping off a drug dealer about a federal investigation. It's a crime a former detective admitted to earlier this week. News 13's Bella Olage heard from the sheriff and has the details.
I'm pretty much frustrated at the whole situation.
Two Bernalillo County Sheriff's deputies are accused of tipping off a confidential informant about a federal drug investigation. One admitted to it earlier this week, the other indicted on Tuesday. John Allen says the case unfolded before he became sheriff, only learning about it this week, even though there's been an ongoing federal investigation for years.
Regardless if this happened before I took the seat, that is a culture, and I said it before even when I was running for sheriff. There's a culture change that needs to happen, and we're doing it.
The feds say it happened in late 2021 when a drug dealer, who was also a confidential informant for BCSO detective Kyle Linker, was tipped off about a federal investigation. The DEA shared plans of an operation near the informant's home. Linker then warned his informant, causing him to cancel a planned sale with undercover federal agents. The DEA soon after figured out Detective Linker was the one who tipped him off. That's when the feds set up another operation where Linker and a second deputy named Paul Jessen are accused of giving him a heads up once again. But this time, the DEA was monitoring the informant's communications.
They did have supervisors. They were put on admin leave when they were told what was going on. I didn't feel as the current sheriff that there was enough safeguards put into place.
Sheriff John Allen says the two deputies used to work together in a unit called the Community Action Team, which was disbanded when Allen took office. While Linker resigned in 2022, Jessen was taken off leave in 2023.
Deputy Linker, I did not look at since he resigned before I took office. Deputy Jessen and Detective Jess has been a great deputy for us. It's very surprising when his name did come up. Like I said, anything can happen. You have to be ready for it.
Jessen was placed back on leave without pay yesterday. There won't be an internal investigation until after federal charges are resolved.
How do we improve from here and make sure that this does not happen again? Which I believe the protocol and safety safeguards that we have in place currently, I don't believe this would happen again.
The sheriff says relations with the federal government are still great, but hopes in the future there's a better line of communication. Bella Olage, KRQE, News 13.
Kyle Linker pled guilty to one count of obstruction of justice Tuesday. He faces up to 20 years in prison, but prosecutors are recommending probation. Jessen is expected to have his first court appearance next month. If convicted on all 5 counts, Jessen faces up to 70 years in prison.